Hello everyone! For this, start off by taking a white sheet of paper and then make a fold right in the center and then proceed to lift the bottom part of the fold upwards. Now, keeping the paper folded, draw a gift as such. Add a little ribbon to the top as well. Now, open up the sheet and then draw on Santa's hat to begin with and then proceed to draw the rest of his face along with the beard, his ears and his little outfit. Make it look like he's waving as well. Add a little gift into the mix as well. Add stars all around to make it look all the more better, and you may also add a little checkbox. Now decorate the rest of the gift and then color it in. Add a little bow at the top as well. Next, we'll be learning how to draw Christmas trees. Now, start off by drawing the star at the top for the first one and then draw a triangular shape underneath it. Once you are done with this, add multiple diagonal lines and then add balls all around. These will be the Christmas decorations. Add them in multiple layers and then use yellow for the rest of it. You may also use red. Don't forget to color in the bark. Next, make multiple triangles. We have chosen to use 3 of them at the bark of the tree and then add multiple curly lines all around. Add little balls as well that act as the decorations. Don't forget to add the star at the top. Color it in green and then proceed to use other Christmassy colors for the rest of the decorations. Moving on to our next tree, start off by drawing a star. Then proceed to draw 3 more layers as such. Add multiple curls to the bottom of each of these 3 layers. Then add sachets and then at the bottom of each of these, add different gifts. Begin to color it in once you're done with all of these small little details. Now you may also shade it by shading the bottom portion in a darker shade of green. Color the star and everything else in yellow as such. You may also use different Christmassy colors. For the last tree, start off by drawing a circle at the top and then connect it to the rest of the tree. Make multiple lines at the bottom of each of these sections. We have drawn 3 sections. Add lines for the bark of the tree as well. As for the rest of it, add decorations, add small little gifts all around. At the top, color it in pink and then color it in the shades of green. Use darker green for the bottom once more. Finally, this is what it should look like. Next, start off by taking a white sheet of paper or a white canvas and then make these lines on it. Add a little bit of brown as well. Next, take a funnel-like shape and then add paint into it. Once you are done with it, squeeze it shut and then the paint should come out of this. Next, in order to use it, start off by drawing a little tree and then trace out the line that you want to be traced out. Use different shades of green and do the same. With the multiple layers and the multiple shades of green, reverse it and it should look like a Christmas tree. Add decorations all around. Next, we'll be drawing Santa Claus. In order to do so, roughly trace out your hands. In the thumb section, make a little dot at the end of it to signify a nose. Next, move on and then draw the head as well as the rest of the body of Santa. Don't forget to add the small details of his suit. Add his hands and everything else as well. Add little boots at the bottom. Use a red marker in order to color in the rest of it. Then add snowflakes all around. Thank you for watching.